How is it going, everybody? You're watching That About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can free up and clear a ton of your WhatsApp storage on your iPhone. So if you use WhatsApp quite a lot, like I do for example, you have probably realized that WhatsApp takes up a ton of your iPhone storage. And it's actually quite easy to see. You can just go ahead, open up your settings, and then scroll down until you see General, and then iPhone Storage, and right there you'll see WhatsApp and the amount of storage it's taking up. In my case, it's just 7.5 gigabytes. And I'm saying just because I've seen people with 30, 50, and hundreds of gigabytes of storage right here. And this is so annoying because sometimes your WhatsApp is the main cause of your iPhone running low on storage. And as you know, if your iPhone has low storage, it's complicated. It creates a ton of problems on your iPhone. And then in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can solve that and clear pretty much all of this storage. It's so easy. So what most people do when they try and clear that storage is open up WhatsApp and go one by one, chat by chat, opening that chat and deleting media, messages, audio files, and things like that. And even though it works, it takes so much of your time and your effort, and it's just not efficient. So what I recommend you to do is just tap here on settings, as you can see, and then storage and data, as you can see right here, and then manage storage. As you can see, WhatsApp already has this built-in feature to help us manage our storage. And this is the easiest way to see it. As you can see, 6.41 gigabytes used. You saw before that it was over 7 gigabytes, but I'm going to explain you that in a second. And it already separates here into big categories. So files larger than 5 megabytes and forwarded many times. And WhatsApp already organizes it like that because it makes your life so much easier. So what I recommend you to do is you go ahead and tap here on larger than 5 megabytes. And generally what you'll see here are videos, because those are generally the larger files, right? And those are the main villains of WhatsApp taking up so much storage. And then you can easily see one by one, or you can just select a few, as you can see right here, all right, or even select all, as you can see right there. And then if you select all, it's super easy. You can deselect all. So as you can see, let's just select these, and then I'm going to delete it, and then delete items. And as you can see, it's gone. So we have deleted all those files. So super easy, just like that. You can come back here as well. And as you can see, it's going down. So instantly going down. And also you can see the forwarded many times, because generally those are the messages that you get from groups that are not interesting. Those are just those viral messages, and generally you don't need to keep on your iPhone. So you can easily delete them as well by doing the same thing, select and move, or even select and delete, and select all and delete all. So that's what I recommend you to do. And as you can see right here, just by doing that, you can easily select and delete multiple files and clear hundreds and even gigabytes of your iPhone storage. On top of that, you can also see by chats. So you can see chat by chat and see what chats are actually taking up most of your storage. So that's an easy way to see it as well. So you can see it right here. So super easy. And another thing that I have to recommend is sometimes there are photos and videos that are not just on your iPhone, but also on your photo library right here. So this is super important. So if you have that setting that every time you get a photo or video, it automatically is saved to your photo library, it's super important that it delete it from here. So you delete it from WhatsApp, and then you go ahead, open up your photos and delete it from your photos library as well, because it's super common that you have duplicate files. So photos and videos here, photos and videos here, and the only way to get rid of everything is by deleting it on WhatsApp and on photos. And since we're talking about WhatsApp, I'll leave you with a recommendation on how to back up all your WhatsApp files, chats, media, and absolutely everything. So I'm gonna leave a card. I'm gonna leave it on the screen right now in the description, so you can go ahead and take a look right now. It's an awesome video. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye bye, guys.